They had everything: wealth, gardens, and luxury. But they forgot the poor and forgot Allah. This is the story of Ashab al-Jannah, the people of the garden, mentioned in Surah al-Qalam. There was a group of rich brothers who owned a beautiful garden full of fruits. Every year, their father used to give a share of the harvest to the poor. But after he passed away, the brothers became greedy and arrogant. They said, "This time, we won't give anything to the poor. Let's harvest early before anyone comes." They secretly went to their garden before dawn, thinking they were clever. But when they reached it, they were shocked. Allah had already sent destruction upon the garden overnight. It was completely ruined, not a single fruit left. They looked at each other in disbelief. "Indeed, we were wrongdoers," they admitted. Surah al-Qalam 68:19-27. They remembered their father's righteousness and realized that greed and pride had brought this punishment. The people of the garden learned the hard way. Wealth is a ACAS test, not a guarantee of success. When we forget of the poor and become proud, Allah can take everything away in a moment.